Guys, so today we have this BMW Series 1 2016 for 2016, sorry, for ambient lighting. I've got a habit of saying ambient lighting, but we had this car for Starlight and Underglow. So we have done the Underglow and I've done the Starlight as well. So you can see it has been done with the falling star as well. So that's how it looks. That's how it looks with the falling star. Let me do the full angle. That's how it looks. I've also installed the material suede, so I've updated the material, so now it looks proper nice. The customer requested that he wants some suede on it and then do the material black because he had a gray interior, so he wanted to get it black, and that how it looks. I mean, that looks proper nice. I really like this effect, and it has a remote as well. If you want anything to be done by us, just DM or contact us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or anywhere. I've provided the link on the description. Yeah, this is the remote. Is it for the Underglow? There is two remotes actually. So there's one for the this is for the Starlight. So yeah, you can control with the remotes any colors, anything, and this is also controlled by the app, but I cannot show you on the phone because it's on my phone. But yeah, it's fully controlled by the phone. The meteor is controlled with the phone as well. Let me check the remote control and the interior. Oh shit, I revved it. But yeah, I'll find the remotes, and there are so many modes with the meteor as well. I'll show you later on if I could at the end of the video. So I'm just showing you how it looks at the end. So but yeah, I will show you some modes and stuff at the end, and I'll show you the Underglow as well. Thank you for watching, and if you want anything, just DM us. Thank you. Bye bye.